Nolo wills and trusts pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people delay estate planning because they think it's too expensive or complex, but the surprising truth is that Nolo provides an affordable, straightforward solution. Nolo offers digital wills and trusts starting at around for a basic will, while living trusts and more comprehensive estate plans range from to. Platform includes step-by-step guidance, plain language instructions, and state-specific compliance. For example, if you want to create a living trust, Nolo walks you through listing assets, naming beneficiaries, and specifying guardianship for minor children. Documents can be updated easily, stored securely, and printed or shared as needed. Optional attorney review is available for an added fee. Most users find that Nolo's tools reduce stress, save time, and ensure their estate planning documents are legally valid without the high cost of traditional estate attorneys. In conclusion, Nolo wills and trusts offer excellent value for individuals and families who want peace of mind. With clear pricing, user-friendly guidance, and comprehensive features, you can protect your assets and loved ones efficiently and affordably.